pick up the phone, baby, I'm calling you, I put my all in you, was supposed to ball with you. I've been grinding, I've been working for you, baby, for you to tell me you don't wanna do this, that's cool, baby, I've been grinding, I've been working for you, baby, for you to say you're having second thoughts, you know what, do you, baby, and you can keep the things that I bought you. You can tell your friends that they want. Think of all the things that I done, all the little things that they wanted to. I dare you to say we weren't special. Say we weren't special, girl. Wanted to. I dare you to say we weren't special. Say we weren't special, girl. So you mean I gave you my love for nothing? All of my trust for nothing. So you mean I called you my rib for nothing? Think of all the things that I did for nothing. Took you my mama clip for nothing. Told me that you wanna have my kids for nothing. Vacation for two for nothing. Reservations for two for nothing. Wait, your girl said she saw me with who? What's her name? You gon' let this girl convince you that I'm playing games? Okay, on what day? I was with the way. Are you telling me I wasn't with my friends? Was you there too? There too? This thing getting stressful. You know I want that. You know I want that too. I dare you to say we weren't special. Say we weren't special. Want that too. I dare you to say we weren't special. Say we weren't special, girl. So you mean I gave
First product that I used was my water and my water mixed with my conditioner. Next product that I used is my Nairobi foaming lotion, you guys. And I love this foaming lotion because it doesn't disturb the installation of the unit. The next thing that I use is the Trepadora Curl Therapy. It's an avocado curl defining smoothie, and it's great for curling units. And so I use that. I'm actually almost out, so I have to probably get some more.
Wanted to. I dare you to say we weren't special. Say we weren't special, girl. Wanted to. I dare you to say we weren't special. Say we weren't special, girl. So you mean I gave you my love for nothing? All of my trust for nothing. So you mean I called you my rib for nothing? Think of all the things that I did for nothing. Took you my mama clip.
You can see the difference between like the curly side and my fro side. Okay, you can see the different textures and how it looks. And so, yeah, the hair really responded very well to all the products that I used.
Baby, I'm calling you. I put my all in you. Was supposed to ball with you. I've been grinding, I've been working for you, baby. For you to tell me you don't wanna do this, that's cool, baby. I've been grinding, I've been working for you, baby. For you to say you're having second thoughts, you know what, do you, baby. And you can keep the things that I bought you. You can tell your friends that they want. Think of all the things that I done, all the little things that they wanted to. I dare you to say we weren't special. Say we weren't special, girl. Wanted to. I dare you to say we weren't special. Say we weren't special, girl. So you mean I gave you my love for nothing? All of my trust for nothing. So you mean I called you my rib for nothing? Think of all the things that I did for nothing. Took you my mama clip for nothing. Told me that you wanna have my kids for nothing. Vacation for two for nothing. Reservations for two for nothing. Wait, your girl said she saw me with who? What's her name? You gon' let this girl convince you that I'm playing games? Okay, on what day?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, hit the red subscribe button, you guys. Hit the notification bell. Also, if you enjoy my content, don't forget to hit the like button, you guys. Share it with your friends. And of course, come back and watch another video, okay? Today's video is how I achieved this cute wet look, you guys, on this cute Brazilian short bob. Okay, so let me tell you some details about this unit. First, I want to thank Anisah. I'm mispronouncing this. Anisah. A-N-I-S-A-H. Look, and I'm gonna leave the name right here. Alright, so I want to thank this company for sending me this hair to review. You guys, this is a Brazilian virgin hair bob curly. It's human hair. It's 10 inches and it has a natural color. Now, what you probably don't know is that I dyed the color, you guys. I dyed, like, I put little highlights in it, okay? I kind of bleached it to put like highlights in it, and that's all I did. I just put the bleach on it, left it on here, and so you could probably tell that it's, you know, has a little brown in it or whatever, you know, a little chocolate, but it came in a natural black, you guys. Like I said earlier, it's 10 inches, a lace front wig. It has 3 combs. It has adjustable straps in the back. What you'll probably notice is that an elastic band so it can fit tighter, okay? And it comes with a very, very soft lace. Now, one thing I did notice about this unit, you guys, is that the lace was extremely soft, that I actually ripped it. I've never ripped lace before. On all the units I've had, I've never really ripped lace like I've ripped it today installing this unit. So the lace is extremely soft, so be careful when you are plucking. So I was kind of like plucking and cutting and trying to, like, you know, make this hairline look a little bit more natural, and yeah, I really put a lot of holes in this lace, unfortunately. But other than that, the hair actually, oh, something else I forgot to tell you. Ooh, something else I forgot to tell you. I bleached the knots. The hair bleached very, very well, very quickly, you guys. It is a beautiful curly bob wig. So yeah, the hair texture is amazing. The lace, be careful with. The parting space, but I think since I bleached the knots, you guys, and I also added, I tinted it with, you know, my foundation, I think it looks really realistic. I don't think it looks bad at all. I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, I can definitely get away with this, you know. To achieve this wet look, you guys, I used a number of products, okay. I know a lot of people don't like putting products in their hair, but I don't mind, you know. This product makes my hair look dry, but it actually still looks wet, if that makes sense. So my hair is actually, it's like probably 80% dry, okay, but it still has that kind of wet look, and that's the look I was going for. You know, when I first initially got the unit, I bleached the knots, I shampooed it with my Shimmer Lights purple shampoo, and then I conditioned it. So I shampooed it and I left it in the Purple Light shampoo for like about maybe an hour, even probably longer, and then I left the conditioner on for like half the day. And so when I got back from my event, I washed everything out, and then I let it air dry a little bit. Again, I want to thank this company, Anisah, for sending me this unit to review. All right. It is an Amazon-based company, so yeah, you can get your unit within 2 days, okay? I'll leave all the details about this hair down below. Go ahead and check it out, and I will see you in another video. All right, take care. Bye.